Hey guys, it's Tanushree here. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? I'm back with a new video. And today's video is all gonna be about drum roll. Yes, it's about cooking some chicken. So I ordered like 2 chicken breasts from Tender Cuts shop in Chennai, but then I ended up getting 4. And then I thought, okay, it's a great opportunity to like meal prep all my chicken dishes. And meal prep is nothing but you just get some meat or you just get some veggies and cut it up and then season it properly and then you throw it in your freezer and you get to like eat it whenever you want to, and that's only meal prep. And it's not highly nutritious as cooking it as fresh, but then it is somewhere in the middle. So I added my chicken in a bowl, and then I wanted to like clean it first before cooking it because it's from a shop. So I mean, everything is from a shop. Okay, fine. So I took some turmeric powder, which is like an antibacterial agent, and I started like cleaning it with some water, and that's it. That's pretty much it. The way you clean some chicken in a good way. You can also add some curd and then clean it with that too. If you want to like remove that bad smell. So I took my chicken and I started seasoning it with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of thyme, and then I went ahead with some chili powder. And then I think I'm still adding the thyme. So here is chili powder, and then I went on with some salt and some oregano, and that's pretty much it to begin with. So I just started massaging all of it, and meanwhile I'm just going to tell you why I ordered all of this. So I just wanted to like increase my protein intake. So when you're like eating a lot of protein, your immunity like builds, and when you're also exercising along with a lot of protein intake, it really like helps you to build muscles and to gain more strength. So that's like one of the main reasons why I thought of doing it instead of ordering it from other places. And it's really not like எங்கள் வீட்டிலலாம் வந்துட்டு சிக்கன் வந்து வெளில வாங்கி சாப்பிட்டாலே எங்கள் அம்மாவும் அப்பாவும் திட்டுவாங்க. So I thought, okay, why not just shut their mouths with this? And I'm just like adding some fresh cream to the chicken, but I'm not really a big fan of curd. If you have curd in your kitchen, you can add curd also. But I just went ahead with some fresh cream because that's what I prefer the most. I'm allergic to curd. So I'm just like massaging all of the ingredients into the chicken. And I just hate it when a chicken is so flavorful from the outside but it's just bland from the inside. So I just take a fork and I just like poke the chicken from all directions so that all the ingredients like gets into the chicken and it's like really flavorful inside out. So that's what I do to like add more flavor. And then I added some chili flakes in a bit and I switched on the stove. I put on my pan, and then I thought of adding some butter to the chicken because it's like a great alternative to oil. So I thought of also adding the oil, but butter, it just improves the taste of the chicken. So I just wanted this dish to be like not really a European style chicken, but then somewhere the influences lies there. So I just went ahead with a dollop of butter into the pan, and then added some little bit of olive oil because it's way more healthier than the refined oil. Okay, that's not little bit, that's like too much, but you can like reduce the amount of oil. So I just added some garlic because it infuses that flavor in it, and then I went ahead with some chili flakes because I really like it when my oil is like infused with chili and garlic. It smells like amazing in the kitchen. So I went ahead and then I added my chicken piece in it, and then I started like sauteing it. It takes a really long time for it to like become golden brown. So I was just like trying to like flip it over and add the flavors inside it. And then I also added a lot more butter. I don't know why I did it, but then I'm just like low key obsessed with butter, I think. So I started like cooking it, and I didn't want it to like burn. So I was just like constantly flipping it around and stuff like that. So it's been a long time since I posted a video. It's because of a major reason, which is like coming up in my next video. So stay tuned for that. I will tell you the reason why I took a long break in posting my videos, and you're gonna be like thrilled about why the reason. I mean, the reason is like an amazing reason. So I just flipped my chicken around I really didn't want to burn it, and I was just scraping from all of the sides, and then I was like, adding everything onto the chicken because it is such a middle class behavior. It's like you just don't want to waste anything, and I was just waiting for it to cook, and I was just adding every flavor that's possible on the chicken. But you can also make chicken dishes like this on the whole. If you want to like increase your protein intake, you can like try different cuisines every time you buy a piece of chicken breast or a piece of chicken or any other meat. You could just go with some tandoori seasonings, or you could just go with some chipotle seasonings, or any other thing that is available. I used to like really like it when my chicken is seasoned with Chinese flavorings, but today I just wanted to like go in for a very mild, very buttery, and very like flavored chicken. So pretty much done. I was just checking if it was cooked on the inside too, and I think it's pretty much cooked. I just want to like flip it once again and then add in all the masalas, and then I was just like ready, like full on ready to like eat it or like try into it. So I just switched it off, and then I started like plating my dish, and I just took my chicken, and I immediately after putting it on the plate, I just wanted to like cut and taste how it was. But before that, I just want to like add some mayonnaise and some sauce. I don't know why. I'm so obsessed with ketchup and mayonnaise. It's like one of my staples if I want to like eat outside or eat something inside. So I just cut it, and you know what? The chicken was like super freaking soft. It was like so yummy. It's like perfectly cooked. I mean, I did it. So thank you for watching this video. If you want me to make more such cooking or recipe videos, do let me know in the comments down below or like this video, and I'll make sure to post more such cooking videos. And I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Until then, bye.